Shorts courtesy of 4Piston. Want to pick them up? So here we go. Come back. Sorry. Come back.
876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
Alright, so guys, guess who we found in the building today?
Good launch here for Jefferson.
Brandon is an international drag racer and he's here in Jamaica for Drag Rivals too. Brandon, how's the vibe? How are you enjoying it so far in Jamaica?
I like Jamaica, man. The cars are nice. They run pretty consistent for the weather that's here. It's very hot, and these cars, I always see them go down the track. They don't break, they don't blow up, and they go pretty fast for the heat down here. It's nice. I mean, I know a lot of people are here. I met a lot of these guys at World Cup finals.
Right.
I got some family here.
Yeah.
I'm just here to have a good weekend and enjoy some racing.
I mean, I know it's not your first time here.
No, I think I've been here 4 times.
What?
4 times.
Already?
4 times. At least, it's got to be 4 times now.
Wow. And what keeps you coming back though?
I get to watch some racing while on vacation, while
with family.
So
Yeah.
Her family, and I get to see my friends, and it's like a package thing. You know, I get everybody's happy.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Well, I know you're pretty much used to, you know, the international standard of racing. How far would you say we're off from, you know, conditions in the States?
I mean, the track prep seems good. It's just very hot, that's all. It's just the weather.
It's just the heat.
The heat, I mean, the cars do run good in the heat, but the prep is good. The pits are set up similar to what, you know, how we're set up in America.
Cool.
Everybody's eating and, you know, partying in the pits. It's not far off. It's not far off at all.
In terms of vibe, because that's one thing I hear is different. So in terms of like the vibe, the overall vibe,
it's about the same.
It's about the same?
I do the same thing at World Cup that I'm doing here right now. I did the same thing at HD that I'm doing here right now.
Got you.
After racing is done, I get to talk, hang out, eat, you know, walk around the pits and just talk to people that I know, and I do the same thing at HD and World Cup.
Cool. Any plans of racing here in Jamaica? I mean, you've been here 4 times already.
These guys keep trying to get me to bring my car here.
Yeah.
You know, I looked at the track today, and I looked at all this rubber laid down the track, and I thought about it, but I said, let me get back to America, get the car running first.
Yes.
Get it to a track in America first, make sure everything is good, and then I'll make a decision. Okay. I know if I made the decision, I know Kenny wouldn't hesitate to help me get it here.
Definitely.
But, it's just a lot of work, man. I'm busy at home in the garage, regular job and family stuff, and you know, it's just a lot of work to do.
We know you race an All-Motor Civic.
Yeah.
What would you do differently? I mean, if you were supposed to ship that same car here, by the way, your personal best is?
In my personal car or the 4-piston?
The 4-piston car.
4-piston car, my best is a 923 at 147.
Ooh, all-motor.
All-motor, yeah.
If you were supposed to bring that same car here, what would you do differently to try to run your best time here?
I would just turn it down a little bit on the launch and just to see if the track hooks up the way ours hooks up, and if it does, then just put it back.
Okay.
See what happens. I mean, I've never gone down a track like this before, so I don't know I wouldn't know
What to expect. Right.
So I would just say, you know, take it easy first pass, see how it goes.
Collect some data.
And go from there.
And okay. I mean, the all-motor game we see here in Jamaica is picking up.
Yeah.
We have quite a few all-motor cars now. What would you suggest? Would you tell if someone wants to build a machine now? Would you suggest all-motor or would you suggest boost?
I always tell people that I can't tell you what to do with your car. I've been an all-motor guy from when I used to street race. Because on the street, when we used to street race on street tires, the all-motor car could beat the turbo car till the turbo car caught traction in third, you know, the top of third gear.
Correct.
So I've always been an all-motor guy. So if you're an all-motor guy, you're an all-motor guy. If you're a turbo guy,
you're a turbo guy.
Don't try to follow what your friend is doing because it's just, if it's for you, then, you know, I tried turbo, I went back to all-motor.
Oh, you tried turbo before?
My green coupe, my personal car right now, my coupe was a B turbo first.
Okay.
And then I was like, nope, this is not for me. Then I did a K all-motor.
What about it was not to your liking?
Back then, I used to drive the car to the track. So I used to have to drive, when it was turbo, I would have to drive to the track with tow truck money. Just in case it broke. Because when it was all motor, I would drive it to the track.
You bang on it all day, yeah?
And I would drive it back home and it was fine. Turbo, I just kept breaking weird things that just never broke. It's probably just my bad luck, but I said, man, this is
that's not you.
No, I said I used to drive to the track and drive home, and then drive the car to work on Monday. And when it was turbo, I was getting towed home more than I drove home.
Crazy. No, I mean your PB 9.2.
Yeah, 9.2.
Did you I mean ever think that would be possible? Like maybe say 2 years ago?
No. The rules keep changing and cars keep getting faster. So this last rule change they did is what kind of helped us to get to where we are right now.
Got you.
They did a weight rule change. They allowed vacuum pumps, and that gave us a little bit. That's what really picked the car up a lot. Nice.
Now, I mean, what's next? Like, what can your fans expect?
I mean, I only had 2 passes on the car. The car went a 923 and a 925. I think the car has a lower 9.2 in it, a high 9.1 at 148, 149. We already went 148, so I think it should pick up a little bit. I think it can go 149.
Got you.
Maybe 150 in World Cup, I don't know.
So we'll have to see.
They went a 23 in April, H-Day. The weather gets real good in November, usually. And cars usually pick up a lot in November, so November it should technically be able to go 9.1 at over 148 because wherever you went 148.
Got you. Well, Brandon, thank you so much for making the time to talk to us, and all the best. You know we'll be in touch.
All right.
Big up.
All right, yo. 876.
Every time.
Can you go over some more? Right? Awesome. All right, so you're going to go where Grizzly is, all right? Right here, that's the finish line. Grizzly, you're going to tell me who wins, all right? You're on your feet, your foot is over the line, sir. Get it on camera next time. Please, the foot.
Oh, God.
All right, so I'm holding your phone, sir. All right, your foot should not go over. I did not say go. What is wrong with yours? I did not say go. But you put up the line, all right? On your mark, all the tip of your toe, the tip of your shoes should be at the end of the line, right here. So come down, hello, in the middle there, come down some more. Tip of it, you should be like this. Let's go. You should be like this. Yes, wait over the line. Your toe is over the line, right? Good. On your mark. God, him say overheat. All right, gentlemen, let's go. On your mark, set, go. This is one. Ladies, are we ready? Are we ready for race time? Is it race time now? No? Ladies, your turn. Your turn, ladies. Ladies, we're ready for you. We're just gonna run first. We're gonna run these smaller ones first. Right? And then we run you four, alright? So come, position yourself. So your toe is to be like this. See? Right where the line is. You know you probably can't see the line. Too far. The line here. Right? Ladies, on your mark. Set, go! Try not to fall. All right, Grizzly, do we have a winner? Yeah? All right, so the other four, same place. Oh, the prizes are being given out already. Great. You can keep the shirts, okay? Shirts courtesy of 4Piston. Want to pick them up? So here we go. Are they all lined up properly? Good, good. All right, so up front, set, go. And they're off. Shelly and Fraser Price leading. Veronica Campbell trailing. All right, do we have a winner? Yes? Please come and collect your prize. The lady who ran over to the left, come and collect your prize. Yeah, man. Prizes for all of you courtesy of Van Vliet. Shirts courtesy of 4Piston. Pick them up. Yeah, man. Nice for the jug rivals and so. Come on, man. Come collect your prize. All right. 13 seconds clock. The line. 13 seconds clock.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.